prefer to give the people what they want. Sensation, horror, shock. Send them out in the streets to tell their friends how wonderful it is to be scared to death.
Hey, don't go away up there. Next time it won't be a dream or a nightmare. Next time it'll be for real.
When I'm with you, I get the feeling that I can go afraid, dancing has declined to sitting there looking at it. This is something that is really, this is something I really regret about having to see. Because, when you're dancing, you are, if you're doing it properly, it's as good as meditation. Yeah? And just as your mind is a barrier, meditation, I'm afraid people's minds are a barrier to dancing. Now it's a phenomenon that you don't really get these days. But a lot of, if you took 16 decks or 16 snooker blues, right? There was no argument or goodness with that thing, honestly. It doesn't seem to act so much these days. It's not so much a phenomenon. But you just be totally incapable of having this up. Better learning anything else because it will shrink. I'll tell you the start of this was Duraflex, black bombs. Now, that would not only it would shrink it for about a week afterwards, you know what I mean? And there wasn't a hell of a lot of crossfade, it wasn't like that. It was, you just went out for a good time, not to see, whether you could get rustle somebody's unders. Honestly, this is another thing where I think standards have dropped, and I think where the media comes into it as well, right? Is they've made a big thing about sex. This is it. And what is more depraved sex? The more depraved, the better. You know what I mean? The inside of Rose West.
I I'm a rock and roll man. Rock and roll man. I'm a rock and roll man. Rock and roll man. Death to the boss, seize control, need the production. Rock and roll, alright. Hey, hey, hey. Electric guitar, sitting in the back of my car with my baby. Hey, hey, hey. We're singing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're singing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Don't forget who I am. I'm a rock and roll man. Rock and roll man. Rock and roll man. I'm a rock and roll man.
Here come my baby, right down the line. She's looking mighty good, she's looking mighty fine. I say that I love her, I tell her I do. Then she turns around, she goes out with you. I need you, baby, but you can't take me. I need you, baby, but you can't take me. I need you, baby, but you can't take me. Well, it's alright, well, it's alright, well, it's alright, oh yeah. Well, here she comes, baby, right on down the line. All she keeps doing is telling those lies. I say I wanna do me mine, but all the time you gotta keep me going on and crying. I need you, baby, but you can't take me. I need you, baby, but you can't take me. I need you, baby, but you can't take me. Well, it's alright, well, it's alright, well, it's alright, oh yeah, woo! My level
fall. Shooting, shooting. I ain't gonna raise. Shooting, shooting. No cabbage at all. Shooting, shooting. Old Uncle Rabbit. Shooting, shooting. Got a habit. Shooting, shooting. In my garden. Shooting, shooting. In all my cabbage. Shooting, shooting. And if I live. Shooting, shooting. To see next fall. Shooting, shooting. I ain't gonna raise. Shooting, shooting. No cabbage at all.